Hi, I'm Brad Nietfeldt, founding partner and CEO of Monstrous Media Group. Most businesses think they own their audience data. They don't. The major ad platforms do. Meta, Google, LinkedIn, and nearly every major advertising network have built walled gardens around their data. They decide what you can target, they decide what you can see, they decide how much information you get back, and every year they remove more control. Advertisers are pushed toward broader targeting, weaker reporting, and more dependence on a single platform. That creates a serious problem. You're spending money to build an audience you may never truly own. Your pixel may also be missing a large percentage of the activity happening across your website and campaigns. That means incomplete data, incomplete attribution, and incomplete visibility into the people already showing interest in your business. At Monstrous Media Group, we help give that control back to the advertiser. Our audience intelligence system draws from a database of more than 280 million US-based consumer profiles. It analyzes more than 60 billion behaviors and URLs every week. And it can achieve up to 95% accuracy on fully matched contact data through online to offline identity resolution. That means we can build highly specific B2B and B2C audiences based on real behaviors, interests, intent signals, company information, and digital activity. We can identify website visitors, we can match and enrich data, we can reactivate audiences, and we can send those audiences into ad platforms, CRMs, sales systems, and marketing automation platforms. There are four major pieces. First, targeting. We can build audiences based on billions of behaviors and create highly specific segments for B2B or B2C campaigns. Second, identification. Our SuperPixel can help match website traffic to audience profiles, giving businesses more visibility into who is showing intent. Third, matching. We can enrich existing data using hundreds of millions of consumer profiles and connect fragmented information across systems. Fourth, activation. Those audiences can be synced into advertising platforms, CRMs, sales engines, and other marketing systems. But the real power comes from what happens when this intelligence is combined with the rest of your marketing. Paid advertising, SEO, AEO, GEO, social media, website development, AI automation, CRM strategy, business intelligence. That's when your campaigns stop operating in isolation and start functioning as a coordinated growth system. Instead of hoping the platforms find the right people, you build the audience first. Instead of renting access to data, you gain more control over how that data is used. Instead of sending broad messages to broad audiences, you reach the people most likely to care. This is especially powerful for B2B companies with long sales cycles, complex buying committees, high-value services, or narrow target markets. It also works for B2C brands that need stronger audience segmentation, better retargeting, and more accurate customer intelligence. The companies that understand their audiences first will outperform the companies still relying on default platform targeting. That gap is growing quickly. If your business is serious about B2, B lead generation, audience intelligence, and building a marketing system you can actually control, contact Monstrous Media Group today. Let's build an audience strategy that gives your team better data, better targeting, and better opportunities to grow. Visit monstrousmediagroup.com and schedule a strategy session. Your audience is already out there. The question is whether you can identify them before your competitors do.